Send your fit note for your ESA claim. You will be told during your application for New Style, Employment and Support Allowance (ESA) when you need to send a fit note. This is sometimes called a sick note, or a statement of fitness for work. Only certain healthcare professionals can give you a fit note. Send your fit note online. You will need your national insurance number and either digital fit note, completed by the healthcare professional, or a printed fit note, signed by the healthcare professional. You will need a photo or copy to upload. Other ways to apply. You can post your fit note. If you need to send any other medical evidence, you must post it. Send your fit note or other medical evidence to Free Post, DWP, ESA, 26.